Oh, that's a Phantom. Check this out. Check this Phantom out. Oh, boom, boom, boom. Pew, pew, pew. They're wrapping it. As you can see, they're wrapping it. So there's a brand new video. We got some cool cars for you guys. Starting first, make sure to check out Fantasy Motorsports. First, we got this car. Check it out. Oh, we're starting with a base right here. We're starting with a base. What's up, lady? You want to be famous? No. Hello, lady. She want to be famous. Guys, she want to be famous. She want to be famous. She's just pretending. She's just pretending. She want to be famous. We all know that. Okay, guys. So let's get back to it. So I was showing you guys this animal right here. If you want to do the same thing to your car, bring it to Fantasy Motorsports. All right, let's get inside. Let's see what we got. Let's see what they got in here. Let's check it out. Oh, check out this Tesla right here.
Stop it.
What happened?
Stay away.
Nobody's showing you. I'm showing the cars. Oh, I didn't film it. Check this out, guys. Check this out. Check this out. Oh, check out the calipers. See that? Custom calipers. The cool thing with this car is like it changes colors. You see the wrap? It changes color when it's in when it's in the sun. Even now you can kind of see a little bit. See that? Boom. If you like that, you want to do the same thing, bring your car to Fantasy Motorsports. Now let's move on to the next one. Boom. Model S. Oh, this looks good. I'm not really into Teslas, but Model S is one of my favorite. Model S and Model Y. Now let's move on to this Bentley right here. About to do something to it. Something nice. Drop top. I know you need this car if you're going to the beach. You want to hang out for summer. For summer, this is something you need. Now, for summer, this is something else that you need. Check this out. Boom. Oh. Sure. Sure. Custom calipers. Custom wheels. Custom. See all this right here? All this right here was customized. Was customized. Even this, think so. Was customized. And then if you look deep in here, see the speakers, like sound system. They did a sound system to that. And then see the straps right here? Man, this thing. See the stripes right here? This was customized. It was customized. It was customized. And then it goes all the way to the front. Like, see that? It goes all the way to the front. Dun, 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 dun. This too was customized, I think. Yep, that was customized. And then the wheel, obviously, powder coated. The wheels were powder coated. Check this out. Oh, see that? Looks good. Now let's check out what we got out here. Check this out. These are collectibles right here. Oh, that wrap is outstanding. Nice. See that? Oh. Nissan Z right there. Oh. Oh. Nice. Nice. It was clean. Nice. I gotta show you guys something. Check this out. Check this out. Oh. See that, guys? Customizing the trunk. You want to do something like this to your car? Bring it. You got it. Oh. Oh. That was hard. Oh. Got this Tesla. They're wrapping it. They're wrapping it. Shouldn't this wrap right here? Outstanding wrap. The car was white at first. Oh, oh, that's a Phantom. Check this out. Check this Phantom out. Oh, boom, boom, boom. Pew, pew, pew. They're wrapping it. As you can see, they're wrapping it. They're working on it. Working on it. Working on it. Phantom, 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 Phantom. That's it for this vlog. That's it for this vlog. We hope you enjoyed this little video. Make sure if you in the valley, you wanna work on your car, you wanna do something to your car, something special to your car, bring it to Fantasy Motorsports. They will transform it for you. They got two locations, one in Thousand Oaks, California, one in Northridge, California. Okay, guys, catch you next time. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. We're out. Let's get it.